Welcome to the Open Fender System Installation Guide for the 2015 through 2019 GMC HD 2500 through 3500. Our goal is to provide this comprehensive instruction in manageable sections so that an individual will feel comfortable during the process. This is not a replacement for the professional skills and experience required. Disclaimer: all liability for installation and use rests with the owner of the vehicle. Careless installation and operation can result in serious injury or equipment damage. For professional installation only. Install cab template 1 on the outside face of the rocker channel in front of the driver front door. Start applying the template from the bottom and work up following the profiles outlined with the blue dashed lines. Smooth out the template, making sure to carefully align the blue dashed lines with the contours. If small bubbles form, it will not compromise the effectiveness of the template. Apply cab template 2 to the front of the rocker channel. Place the circular cutout over the hole on the rocker surface. Roll the template up using the outboard edge of the surface as a guide for the template edge. Do not try to conform the template to the step in the sheet metal. This is not necessary. Apply cab template 4 to the body mount support channel adjacent to cab template 2. Start applying the template by aligning the profiles where the body mount channel attaches to the rocker channel. Then, working your way across and down, align the lower oval cutout with the oval cutout in the body mount support channel. If applied correctly, the red dashed line on the template should be vertically in line with the edge of the body mount bushing. Apply cab template 5 on the pinch seam area above cab template 4. Align the blue dashed lines with the lower edge of the pinch seam area and as close to the vertical pinch seam as possible. There is only a cab template 5 for the driver's side. Install Fender template 1 by aligning the two holes outlined with the blue dashed lines to the second and third Fender trim holes from the bottom. Then work the template outward in both directions, aligning the edges of the template with the edges of the fender. Place Fender template 2 by aligning the blue dashed outline square to the inner fender mounting nut. The template cut line should line up with the cut line from Fender template 1, and the blue dashed line should align with the inside profile of the fender. Attach the Fender template 3 on the inside of the fender around the lower door jamb mount. Align the blue dashed portions of the template with the unique stampings and cutout on the inside of the fender. The red cut line should align with the cut line from Fender template 2. With the template in place, use a marker to extend the red cut line up through the cutout in the fender. Install Fender template 4 onto the lower frontmost part of the fender using the hole and fender profile as locators. Apply Fender template 5 to the rear side of the rear wheel opening using the second and third fender trim holes from the bottom. Then align the blue dashed lines with the wheel well opening and the bend line that defines the fender trim location. With the template in place, use a marker to draw a line from the template cut line to the opposite edge of the return flange. Begin applying Fender template 6 to the front side of the rear wheel opening. Using the second and third fender trim holes from the bottom, align the holes with the blue dashed lines. Then, work the template outward, aligning the blue dashed profiles with the return flange in the wheel opening and the bend line that defines the fender trim location. If the template does not adhere to the chip guard at the lower portion of the fender, Painter's tape can be used to help with holding the template in place during cutting. Use a marker to draw 2 lines on the rear fender inner structures along the bend line closest to the pinch weld against the bedside. Use a marker to draw a line to show the removal of the protruding features of the front inner part of the rear wheel well. The 2 lowest inner fender mounting tabs need to be removed.